Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make a floral straw necklace. Cut colorful straws into small bits like this. Cut out flowers from different pieces of colored paper. Fold it into two first and into another, and then cut out the flower you want. Fold it twice and cut out the flower. Make holes into the center of all the flowers with a pointed object. Get a twine and begin to push in the straws and the flowers one after the other in this form. So I push a straw and then I push a flower. I pick another straw. I push in a flower. Another straw until all the straws and the flowers have been arranged in onto the twine. Once all the pieces have been arranged into the twine, we'll have something this colorful that can be tied and worn by both boys and girls. Hope you like the video. Thank you.